Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the future of AI, hacking, coding, crypto, and technology. Please like and subscribe. A detailed explanation of what crypto wallets are, including both hardware and software variants, and how they play a crucial role in the storage and management of digital currencies. An overview of the significance of crypto wallets in the digital currency ecosystem, highlighting their role in enabling transactions, ensuring security, and maintaining the integrity of digital assets. A comprehensive introduction to various types of hacking threats faced by crypto wallets. This includes a detailed account of the $320 million stolen in the first quarter of 2023, with a breakdown of the losses to exit scams, $31 million, and flash loan exploits, $222 million. The vulnerability of platforms like BNB Chain and Ethereum is emphasized. A deep dive into real-life stories of significant crypto wallet hacks, focusing on the Euler Finance hack, which accounted for $195 million of the Q1 2023 losses. The scene also covers the emerging trend of negotiating with hackers for fund recovery, including the recovery of 90% of Euler Finance's lost funds. A technical breakdown of common hacking methods, including phishing, malware, and brute force attacks. This scene elaborates on the April 2023 Bitrue exchange heist, which saw $23 million in Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies stolen, and the perplexing crypto whale mystery, where hackers exploited a multi-sig contract vulnerability to steal $10 million. Interviews with cybersecurity experts discussing the vulnerabilities of crypto wallets. They analyze different hacking tactics, like the social engineering attack on Trust Wallet users that resulted in a $4 million loss, and offer insights into how these attacks could have been prevented. An exploration of the consequences of crypto wallet hacks for individuals and the broader market, using the Deus Finance breach as a case study. This includes the impact on user trust and market stability, and how hacked funds are often funneled through mixers like Tornado Cash. A look into the legal and regulatory responses to crypto wallet hacks. The scene uses the KuCoin Twitter scandal as an example of how social media platforms can be exploited in crypto scams, underscoring the need for more robust security measures and regulatory frameworks. Detailed presentation of best practices for securing crypto wallets, including the importance of private key management, the use of hardware wallets, and awareness of phishing attempts. A look at future technologies and strategies for enhancing wallet security, like multi-factor authentication, decentralized identity solutions, and ongoing user education. This scene investigates the global impact of crypto wallet hacks, showing how these incidents have affected different regions and economies worldwide. It includes interviews with international experts who discuss the unique challenges and responses in various countries. An analysis of the psychological impact of these hacks on individual investors and the broader crypto community, including testimonials from victims and how these experiences have shaped their perspective on digital asset investment. A forward-looking discussion on the potential future scenarios of crypto wallet security, featuring predictions from industry leaders. Scene script, voiceover. As we delve deeper into the digital age, the future of crypto wallets is looking brighter. Experts predict that as we continue to innovate and refine, the security of these wallets will only get stronger. The integration of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology will play a pivotal role in enhancing security, potentially minimizing the risk of hacks. Advancements in user experience design are also on the horizon, making crypto wallets more accessible and user-friendly. This could lead to increased mainstream adoption, bringing cryptocurrencies into the everyday lives of individuals around the world. In the face of adversity, the crypto community remains resilient, continuously working towards a safer, secure digital financial future. As we look ahead, we see a hopeful outlook, where the potential for increased security and mainstream adoption of crypto wallets becomes a reality. Scene script, voiceover. Now, let's shift our focus to some real-world examples. We'll examine a few successful crypto wallets that have managed to set themselves apart in this competitive landscape. These wallets have not only survived, but thrived in the face of potential security threats, thanks to their robust security measures and innovative features. Ranging from multi-signature protection to hardware-enabled security, these wallets have gone the extra mile to ensure their users' assets remain safe and sound. We'll also hear from some satisfied users who will share their personal experiences. They'll discuss how these wallets have made managing their digital assets a seamless experience, providing them with peace of mind in an otherwise volatile market. Lastly, we'll gain insights from industry experts who will shed light on what truly makes a crypto wallet successful. This will provide us with a deeper understanding of the importance of security, user experience, and continuous innovation in the crypto wallet space. Join us as we delve into these success stories and uncover the blueprint for a successful crypto wallet. Voiceover. And that brings us to the end of our comprehensive guide to crypto wallets. We've journeyed through the importance of these wallets, the threats they face, and how these threats can be mitigated. We've explored real-world examples of successful wallets and the features that set them apart. It's clear that the world of crypto wallets is both exciting and perilous. The key to navigating it safely lies in robust security measures and being well informed. As users, we must strive to educate ourselves about the latest threats and security protocols, making sure we're always one step ahead. We must remember that knowledge is our best defense in this volatile landscape. So, stay informed, stay vigilant, and let's make the most of the opportunities that the world of crypto has to offer. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, stay safe in the world of crypto wallets. Scene script. Voiceover. As we draw to a close, let's not forget one crucial factor that heavily influences the world of crypto wallets: government regulations. Around the globe, the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies varies widely. In some countries, crypto is embraced and regulated, while in others, it's banned outright. And in many, the rules are still unclear or evolving. These regulations can significantly impact the security and functionality of your crypto wallet. For instance, countries with stringent regulations may require crypto wallets to implement advanced security measures, ensuring your assets are better protected. On the other hand, in regions where crypto is less regulated, wallets may not be held to the same standards, potentially putting your assets at risk. Looking forward, the role of government regulations in the crypto industry is likely to become even more significant. As crypto becomes more mainstream, governments worldwide will likely introduce more comprehensive regulations to protect users and maintain economic stability. So as we navigate the complex world of crypto wallets, let's remember to stay informed, not just about the latest threats and security protocols, but also about the regulatory landscape in our respective regions. After all, these rules can have a profound impact on the security and functionality of our crypto wallets. So stay informed, stay vigilant, and let's continue to explore the exciting world of crypto wallets together. Voiceover. Beyond the individual user, the rise of cryptocurrencies and their wallets have made significant waves in the global economy. Crypto wallets have become the gateways to the digital currency market, enabling millions of people worldwide to participate in this new financial ecosystem. This has led to the rise of digital currencies as a new asset class, creating wealth and investment opportunities that were previously unimaginable. The proliferation of crypto wallets has also had a profound impact on traditional banking and finance. Some see them as a disruptive force, challenging traditional financial institutions by offering an alternative, decentralized form of banking. For others, they represent an opportunity to innovate and adapt to a rapidly changing financial landscape. Looking towards the future, the impact of crypto wallets on the global economy is likely to grow even further. As more people adopt digital currencies, and as technology continues to evolve, the influence of crypto wallets on global finance could become even more significant. In fact, some experts believe that in the future, digital currencies could become a mainstream form of payment, leading to a fundamental shift in the global financial system. So as we continue to explore the world of crypto wallets, it's important to consider not just the security implications, but also the broader economic impact. After all, these digital wallets are more than just a tool for managing cryptocurrencies. They're shaping the future of global finance. Scene script. Voiceover. As we've journeyed through the various aspects of crypto wallets, it's worth taking a moment to reflect on how far we've come. In the early days, crypto wallets were simple, rudimentary, and fraught with security issues. But as the technology evolved, so did the wallets. They became more user-friendly, more secure, and began to offer more features. Major milestones such as the introduction of hardware wallets, multi-signature wallets, and wallets with integrated exchanges mark significant developments in the crypto wallet landscape. Today, crypto wallets are no longer just a means to store and transact cryptocurrencies. They have become hubs of financial activity, allowing users to stake, lend, and even earn interest on their digital assets. While it's impossible to predict exactly what the future holds, one thing is clear: crypto wallets will continue to evolve. Whether it's integrating new technologies like quantum-resistant algorithms, developing more robust security measures, or even becoming fully fledged decentralized banks, the potential for innovation is vast. As we stand on the precipice of this exciting future, it's awe-inspiring to reflect on how far crypto wallets have come. And as we look ahead, we can only imagine where they might go next.